Hey, I'm Mark Davis from Exedy, Australia. Today I'd like to talk about a new tool that we've introduced into our range, and it's called the self-adjusting tool box. So this particular tool is required to be used when fitting a self-adjusting clutch, but also can be used when fitting conventional clutch systems. So very brief, very simple explanation today. So what we'll do is we've simulated the flywheel here. Let's pretend that it's attached to a crankshaft. We'll place our clutch disc. Firstly, introduce our alignment tool and place our clutch disc over the tool in the correct orientation. We'll take our self-adjusting clutch cover assembly, fit that over the dowel pins. Okay, so now we're ready to start using the tool. We select the 3 pins with the correct thread, fit the pins to the flywheel, the shorter end towards the flywheel, just until the pin touches the cover pressing. Then we'll take our spider, we'll place that on the top there. We'll set our handle into position. Okay, and then we'll take the nuts and we'll just screw the nuts down until they make contact with the spider. Okay, so now we're ready to start torquing down the diaphragm. So we just start to move our handle like this. Right. Now the purpose of this tool is to evenly torque down the cover pressing so that we eliminate any potential for damaging the clutch on fitment. So we keep depressing the diaphragm spring until the cover assembly makes contact with the flywheel. Okay, so we're now at a point where the cover pressing is touching the flywheel, and we can fit our cover assembly to flywheel bolts. Okay, I'm just using my hands here for this demonstration, but you would need to use a torque wrench to torque these bolts to the appropriate vehicle manufacturer's specification. Okay, so we've got 3 bolts in place. Now, basically, we'll follow the reverse of that procedure. So, we back the spider off, remove the pins, and then we fit the remaining 3 bolts. We can remove our aligning tool, which is a bit tight in there, which is good. Okay, remove the tool, and there we have it, the self-adjusting clutch assembled correctly onto the dual mass flywheel. Okay, thanks for watching. Please feel free to visit our website, www.exedy.com.au, and don't forget, as the Exedy slogan says, shift happens.